He just spotted a huge pod of wild dolphins.
From Sri Lanka, we flew to the Maldives. Flights range from about $200 to $400 Canadian. We paid $280.
Made it!
That was a ride, that boat. It was comfortable. Welcome to Meeru.
This is unreal. Just got to Maldives.
And he's still sick.
I don't know, I think I'm getting better.
Think so?
Just by getting here.
I really hope you are feeling better now because you've been sick from Hong Kong through Sri Lanka. You can't be sick from Maldives and Philippines as well. Right, guys? Right.
Oh, on the way.
And there's the bar right there.
Perfect. Damn, look at that view.
Totally different.
Look at the aisle there.
Why are we not the only honeymooners in here? We are honeymooners. Bianca, myself, and Roberto.
Holy, it's such a long walk. So we have dinner here at the side of our room.
Look at that huge one. Welcome.
Whoa!
No man, it's just peeping.
It's so
Look at
big.
these fish here, eh?
Oh my god.
Unreal.
Big fish everywhere.
I can't wait to go snorkeling. The water's so clear. All right, looks like we found our room. Let's check it out.
You guys ready to see this?
Give you guys a tour.
Oh my god.
You unlock it. Lights, lights, lights.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Nice.
Check it out. What's over there? Oh, wow. The bathroom. It's looking very nice and clean. Whoa.
Oh my
Look at
god.
this.
No way.
We have our own jacuzzi
Oh,
and a tiny bed.
hi.
That's really
It's
cool.
like a second honeymoon.
It is. All right, let's check out the one thing
And it's an outdoor
we want to see the most.
shower, kind of. Come on. Outdoor
Let's
shower.
check out the balcony. We can just wake up in the morning, take a nice dip outside, right off the balcony. Woo! That's really nice. Wow, look at the water, it's super clear. All right, let's unpack, let's go eat.
We paid for an all-inclusive package, which included all of our meals and drinks. It was well worth it because it would have run us about $50 to $100 per person each meal. Food was delicious and it was different themes each meal. Cheers to life.
So after that delicious lunch, we headed to the dock, met the captain of the boat, who took us on a complimentary snorkeling tour. I was really excited because the waters were warm and super clear.
This is all the fish we can see. Hopefully we run into all of them. So many fish in the sea.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat?
Excuse me?
Are you enjoying life right now?
Yes. We are sitting in a sub-zero hot tub. So it's not hot, but it feels great because it's really hot here in Maldives. So It's basically a little pool.
Look, it's floating. My wine is floating.
Jacuzzi, jacuzzi.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the
You
gym.
guys have fun at the gym, though.
You guys have fun making abs while we drink.
We'll see you guys in 30.
Yeah, we just had a pretty good workout back there. When you're on vacation, you still wanna keep things tighter and looking good. And you know, you wanna feel healthier, right?
Exactly.
Why not?
Do that. You know what's amazing with this resort is that it has everything. They have golf, they have tennis, they have soccer field,
Yeah.
they have the gym, they have everything. The only thing missing is a good-looking guy that's single.
When looking for which island and resort to book, especially if you are on a budget, consider how far it is from Maui. Some are traveled by boat or seaplane, of course seaplane being more expensive, up to $500 return flight. The rooms in Meeru range from $600 to $1,300 all-inclusive, which is more in the mid-range. Cheaper ones we saw were $200 to $700, expensive ones were from $1,500.
Look at this. Paradise. Whoa. Paradise.
Honey,
Check out the water.
the beach is just so beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at the water. It's like super clear. And the
Drink that
trees
you
are
guys
so
can think of.
green.
Honey's feeling better.
Yeah, well, meds are working, so temporarily back until they wear off.
All I wanna do, all I wanna do, all I wanna do is be right there for you, be right there with you. All I wanna do, all I wanna do, all I wanna do is be right there for you, be right next to you. Wait a minute.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, good.
On our last night in the Maldives, we had a complimentary sunset cruise, and it was so amazing because a pod of dolphins showed up and gave us a beautiful show. It was just the perfect way to end our Maldives trip.